Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to move your LLC to another state. So when it comes to transferring your LLC business license to another state, we will be explaining two methods you could do this: the domestication and the foreign registration. Now to the LLC domestication. It is important to note that not all states permit domestication, so you will need to make sure that both the origin and destination states allow this process, if this is what you want. Now, if this fits your type of move, you'll need to follow these steps. First, you need to secure a certificate of good standing from the state where your current LLC is registered. Then you need to submit the certificate of good standing along with articles of domestication to the Secretary of State or other applicable state agency responsible for business filings in the new state. And then next, you'll need to dissolve the old LLC in the former state. Now, depending on the new state you're getting into, this may involve obtaining new business licenses, reviewing operation agreement, and complying with applicable state tax laws. Now, when it comes to the foreign registration of your LLC, you will be keeping the LLC registered in your old state, but you also have to file reports, maintain licenses, and pay taxes in the new state. This means you will be paying taxes for each state. And then you'll need to register this foreign LLC in your new state. The next thing you need to do is to visit your new state Secretary of State website. Here you need to find specific information about foreign registry and access application forms on your new state's Secretary of State website. You're going to search online for business entities, Secretary of State, and the state's name to find the right page. Now, depending on the state, you can easily find this form online where you can find and submit it all online. Other states might require you to mail it or submit in person. You will need to enter information about your LLC's original registration, including its name, date of registry, and the state where it was originally formed. Also, depending on the state and the circumstance, you might need to choose an alternate business name. This is because some states have various rules about formatting an LLC's business name. If your business includes words prohibited in the new state, or if unfortunately there is already another business registered with that name, you have to choose an alternate name. And the next step you need to take is to select a registered agent for service of process in your new state. Now, also depending on the state, you'll need to appoint a registered agent based on your new state and enter their information in the application form. As a result, you'll need to look online to find a company based in your new state for a registered agent service. And then next, just as the domestication registration, you will need to provide a certificate of good standing from the original state. After this, you will need to submit the application and pay the filing fee. Whether you're filing the application online, mailing it, or submitting in person, according to your state requirement, you will need to pay the filing fee. And depending on the state, on the average, you can expect to get your certificate of registry within 5 business days or a week. And if you applied online, it is likely that you will get an email notification or a digital copy of the certificate in about 24 hours. And lastly, depending on the type of business you're running, you'll need to get a license to operate depending on the service. For example, if you're doing a food service or liquor service, you will need to get a food service license or a liquor license. So whether you're moving your LLC to another state to domesticate it there, or you're moving to operate in a new state, having both businesses in the old and the new state, these are the steps to follow if you would like to move your LLC to another state.